Hey guys, welcome back. I just finished doing that big patchwork swipe and I've still got a little bit of paint left. So I thought I'd use it. It's very thin. It's at a 1.5 to 1 ratio instead of a 1 to 1. But I don't want to waste it, so I'm just going to do this little flip cup pour and just see what happens. It's got the coconut milk hair serum in it. As I said, it is a thin mix, thinner than what I would normally use because this is my swipe mix, but let's just use up the leftover paint, hey? Not a lot here. So let's just see what happens. I'll just fill up this little cup. So this is the glue and water. It was 60% glue, 40% water, and then I mixed it 1.5 parts pouring medium to 1 part global paint. So I'm going to put one little layer of black in because black takes over, so I could just have one layer. Yep, and finish you off. And oh, and this has also got the coconut milk hair serum in it. I do want to do a pour with the coconut milk hair serum instead of the treadmill silicone, just to see what happens. But that'll be down the track, probably tomorrow actually. Actually no, I've got to work tomorrow. Next day. Work just gets in the way of pouring, doesn't it? Sure does. Let's do a little bit more of the red oxide, and then just top it off with the leftover white, and then that's pretty much all of it gone. I've got a little bit of black left, but that's okay. Black's always handy to keep. All right, that's it. At least I got rid of my cups now. Now I'm not going to be able to flip this because it's too full. This is just a little 8 by 10 canvas. 20 by 25 centimeters. Oh, I've got no cloths. I rinsed them out after my patchwork pour and they're still in the other room. That's okay. I've got a big mess here anyway. Right, I don't have to wait for the paint to run down because it's full. So let's just do this, hey? See what happens. Wow. Little tiny cells that come up from the red oxide, so they're there already. They always happen. Those little tiny cells. Seems to me that it happens from an opaque colour. Okay, so there we go. Very, very fluid, obviously. Very thin paints. But I didn't want to waste them. Let's give it a quick torch. I do like the cells from the coconut milk hair serum. I like the cells that it makes. Initially, I find that afterwards the cells, whoops, tend to keep growing. Got a bit close there. All right, let's just stop. Put down the blowtorch, woman. Okay, so there you go. Yeah, the coconut milk hair serum, it does make pretty cells, but they will tend to keep growing. I don't even know if I want to move this really, although there's a big blobby thing there. Because this mix is so thin, I really can't move it a lot. That will do really. But I just wanted to show you, oh, shoe fly. Just wanted to show you what would happen with the leftovers on such a thin mix. You do get bigger cells because your mix is thinner. wonder if I can get a bit of that corner off. It's a bit busy. Okay. There we go. That's about all. As you can see, the cells, because the mix is thinner, they do tend to lose their round shape. And some of the cells are a little bit weird looking. That one there's got a few little cells inside it. Yeah, it's still pretty. Look at that. That looks like a little UFO there. I'll take you down for a close-up. I love those colours. I'm just going to stick my fingers in that there. Because all my tools are next to the sink in the other room with my cloths. So I'm just going to have to do that. All right. It's pretty yellow, isn't it? For those of you that aren't terribly fussed on just round cells, you probably like this. Oh, look at my messy table. That's it there. Let's go down for a close-up, eh? This is going to be a very quick video. Very, very quick. Well, those colours are really bright, aren't they? I was expecting them to be quite blurred because it's such a thin mix. I thought, oh, these are going to blend a lot and turn to mud, but they've stayed really quite nice and true and bright. So those are the cells from the coconut milk hair serum. Not as round as the treadmill silicone, but they're pretty. See that one there, that sort of turquoisey one? It's got lots of little bits happening inside it, hasn't it? And over there, looks like a paw print. So they're not the beautiful round multi-ringed cells that I would normally like. They've got other stuff happening in them, which is not necessarily a bad thing. It's just different. So there you go. But I'm surprised actually about the colours. Very surprised. The cells have stayed nice and bright. Alright, thanks for watching. Good to use up some leftover paint, isn't it? Alright, just a quick little one. 8.5 minutes. Alright, thanks again for watching. See you soon. Bye for now.